In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba for personal use. 2025 step by step. Buying a single item from Alibaba is absolutely possible, and I'll walk you through the entire process from setting up your account to inspecting your delivery. Start by going to Alibaba.com or opening the Alibaba app. Sign up or log in using your preferred method, then complete your basic profile with your country and contact details. Accurate info helps the platform show realistic shipping options and delivery times. Next, search for the item you want. Type the product name into the search bar, then apply filters like Ready to Ship, Low MOQ, and Trade Assurance. Ready to Ship usually means the item is in stock. Low MOQ means the seller is open to small quantities, and Trade Assurance provides platform-backed protection. To find single items faster, include keywords such as sample, 1PC, or single item. Look for listings that show an MOQ of one piece or mention that samples are available even if the unit price is a bit higher. Open promising listings and review them carefully. Check the photos, the full description, and the specifications to be sure you're getting exactly what you expect. Note the stated minimum order quantity, the seller's rating and reviews, how many years they've been active, and whether they carry the trade assurance badge. It's best to skip listings with no reviews or unclear details. Before you buy, message the supplier using Chat Now or contact supplier. Confirm that they allow a one-piece purchase, ask for the final price, including shipping to your country, and request an estimated delivery time. Keep all communication inside Alibaba Chat so your conversation is logged and protected. Be polite and clear. Many sellers will accommodate personal purchases when asked directly. If possible, request a sample order. Samples are designed for single item buyers and are commonly approved even when the normal MOQ is higher. Expect the sample price to be higher because it often includes handling and express shipping. When you're ready, place the order. Use Buy Now if it's available, or ask the supplier to create a custom order for one unit. Before paying, double-check that the quantity is set to 1, the shipping method is what you prefer, and the total price is correct. Shipping quotes may not include duties or taxes, so check your local import rules. Pay through Trade Assurance using a credit or debit card, Alibaba Secure Payment, or PayPal when offered. Never pay outside the platform.